you're not standing for the prayer, I ask that you'll now please rise and remove cover for the singing of our national anthem by one of your own, the beautiful Miss Evelyn August.
We're Evelyn,
Isaac, Eli, Isla, Owen.
and this is On the Farm with
E-I-O. Let's go!
Last week was a very busy week for us because it was our county fair, and we got a bunch of miscellaneous footage, and hopefully we can make a video for you. Harry, what are you doing? He's very affectionate. He's a weird cat. So the first day of the fair for us was Wednesday, and that was horse show day, and that is when I showed. It was supposed to start earlier, but it stormed in the morning, so we had to start at 12, so we literally went to like 8:30 p.m. But it was really fun, and I brought just Selena, and she did really good. She looked very pretty today. Once I started riding and was warming up, the sun was starting to come out, which was nice, and this is the horsemanship class. I won reserve champion, which is really cool. She did really good. This is a class where the judge judges you on how you and your horse complete a course together, and this is the one we were doing. It was a lot of fun, and Selena did really good at it, and I'm really proud of getting second place. And this is the ribbon I got from that. This is Texas Barrels, and this is supposed to be a speed class, and she was supposed to be galloping through it, but she was tired and I was tired, and she decided she wasn't gonna go any faster than a trot, which was kind of embarrassing. She just was not cooperating, and whenever I asked her to go faster, she would decide to side pass, and this time she went all the way over to the gate, pretty much side passing. So that was pretty embarrassing, and she did that on every single speed class and game. But this is what Mom had to deal with all day, so I guess I got a little better. This is my ribbon haul, and that was pretty much all we did today. Oh wait, Dad did the chicken calling contest.
And here we go.
Which he won because there was no one else there. And at the end of the day, the horses were happy to be back together. Today we didn't arrive at the fair until later because I was singing the National Anthem at the rodeo. While we were waiting, we played bingo, and I won $10, and everyone had funnel cakes and stuff for dinner, and I didn't eat until after. And here I am waiting to go and sing.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we held at the twilight's last gleaming?
How many of y'all want to do it right here?
Today we didn't arrive at the fair until later because I was singing the National Anthem again for the tractor pull, and afterwards we decided to do some rides.
What are you doing? Okay, listen.
Wait, was it fun?
No, it was way too boring.
Or were you screaming?
I wasn't screaming at all. It was really boring.
They didn't have very many rides to choose from, but it was still lots of fun. We decided to go on this ride, Isla and I, and it's We've heard some scary things about this one, and that's pretty much the whole reason I wanted to go on it, for the thrill of it. But yeah, it was pretty scary. Now, this is when we were on it. And guess what happens right before we get off? Isla pukes. Everyone in line was like literally plugging their noses, and they had to sterilize the ride and take it for a test run to air it out. And eventually they got it up and running, but yeah, that was fun. And Isla was actually pretty proud of it. The next day we went to Walcott Day. Walcott is a town that we used to live in when we were younger, and we still make pies for them every year. This year was peach pie.
First place junior is Evelyn August. And she might as well stay up here because she is also our grand champion pie maker. Congratulations.
Your grand champion pie, Evelyn August, right there, coming out of the junior division. Ladies and gentlemen, turn your bids in to Peggy, Sawyer, any of us up here. We'll take care of business. When we're all finished, we're coming back sew up with Angie. Right?
Check out Isla auctioning her pie. She looks very cute. And then here's Isaac doing his, and Granny had Isla walk her pie around for her. I'm really excited to have won Grand Champion. I did 6 years ago and now today. There was also this really cute pool with corn and tractors that Oren was in all day. We'll probably get one for him. And then back at our county fair, they had Montgomery Gentry and Lone Star performing this year, so we decided to go to that concert. It was just Mom, Dad, Isla, and I. It was fun, but I didn't know that many of the songs. And then Mom took these lovely pictures of Isla eating ice cream. And then Sunday was the last day. We went to pick up our 4-H projects and we saw this. Apparently that's what you do with old vehicles around here. You race them.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof
watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any questions. Love from our farm to your home.